Держали, пидорасы!
Ukrainian drones have attacked the Russian city of Sochi in Krasnodar Krai, striking a helicopter parking lot. Sources of Ukrainska Pravda report that the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine is responsible for the attack. The attack was launched by the Defense Intelligence. At about the same time, the city of Smolensk was also attacked by drones. Russian media report that the Smolensk aircraft plant, which is a part of the Russian Tactical Missile Armament State Corporation, was the target. A car rally in honor of reunification with Russia was held in the occupied Luhansk region. Judging by the video, this event has enormous support. 11 cars took part in the rally.
30 сентября дата знаменательная, это год, как мы воссоединились с Россией, стали, скажем так, уже полноправными членами Российской Федерации, полноправным субъектом.
And don't worry about Ukraine. The Avengers are here to save the day. Spidey is yeeting an anti-tank round at Russian forces.
Держали, пидорасы! Блядь, полетело.
А теперь, Форест, беги, блядь.
Direct hit on Russia tank. To the Ukrainian side with 11 of his fellow servicemen, GUR reports. Russian Lieutenant Daniil Alfyorov actively cooperated with the Ukrainian GUR and defense forces since June 2023. He convinced 11 of his comrades to surrender into Ukrainian captivity from the Russian army, where their lives were under great danger of torture and being sent into meat assaults. When there was a threat to Alfyorov's life, Ukraine carried out a special operation for his controlled withdrawal to Ukrainian territory, said Andrei Yusov, a representative of the State Department of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine, during a press conference.
Доброго дня, шановні друзі, колеги. Маємо честь і приємність повідомити про успішну реалізацію спецоперації «Барыня».
Меня зовут Алферов Даниил, я выпускник Московского высшего общевойскового командного училища. Закончил училище зимой 2018 года, ранний выпуск. Я не хотел ни воевать, ни убивать, я был против войны изначально, потому что развязанная Путиным война несправедливая ни в каком русле. Я считаю Путина убийцей. Изначально мы выдвигались на острова на лодках, но все лодки были уничтожены, и после чего мы передвигались уже непосредственно вброд, через болото и так далее, что не свойственно для выполнения боевых задач в той местности. Наше подразделение управлялось по принципу штурмовых отрядов, которые составлялись из зэков. Я как офицер на позициях ощущал себя сержантом. Чем больше появлялось трехсотых, тем морально-психологическое состояние бойцов российской армии ухудшалось. Были отказники, так называемые пятисотые, и были те, кто собирались дезертировать. И для того, чтобы наводить порядок, командир батальона создал так называемый отряд. Они вылавливали недовольных закидывали их в ямы, привязывали к деревьям и так далее. Я единственный был кадровый офицер, который понимал хоть что-то в тактике, наверное, или еще что-то. Мне удалось вывести 3 группы в общей сложности.
Russia. Fresh batch of prison inmates drafted into a Russian army penal unit. They were taken out of prisons just several days ago, issued combat uniforms and assault rifles with no ammo, blessed by the FSB's Religion Directorate, also known as the Russian Orthodox Church. Early parliamentary elections were held in Slovakia. According to the preliminary results, the pro-European party PS lost to the pro-Russian party Smer-SD. Smer-SD leader Robert Fico has a pro-Russian position, calling for the lifting of sanctions against the Russian Federation. At one of the rallies, he stated that the war began in 2014, allegedly when Ukrainian Nazis and fascists started killing Russian citizens in Donbas. Fico promised to completely cut military support to Ukraine. This benefits the EU because Slovaks are seeking closer ties with Russia. Slovakia should be expelled from the Union, and Slovaks will lose the right to travel and work within the EU. They can then align themselves with their Russian allies and willingly make sacrifices in Ukraine for Putin's imagined empire. In just 13 days, a spectacular and rare event known as the Ring of Fire will take place across the United States. On October 14th, 2023, 8 states in the United States will witness a spectacular and rare event known as the Ring of Fire, or an annular eclipse. During this phenomenon, approximately 90% of the sun will be obscured by the moon. Not to worry, for the rest of the United States will experience a partial eclipse, where the sun won't be fully covered. The lucky states that will witness the annular eclipse, also known as the Ring of Fire, are Oregon, Northern California, Northern Nevada, Southern Utah, Southwest Colorado, Northern Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Time will start around 9:15 PDT. However, the most significant even is set to occur on April 8, 2024, as a total solar eclipse will take place.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.